Hello, this is Sean from the AV King. Just finished installing this Rally Bar Mini setup. So on the ceiling here, we've got 2 mic pods, and then at the front here is the Rally Bar Mini. So we've got the camera at the front, speakers and a microphone built into that as well. And then off to the side here, we installed a HDMI wall plate so they can just plug their laptop in and share as per needed without the Logitech gear. Here we have the data lead, which powers the Logitech tap screen here. And then as well, we've got this HDMI cable, which plugs into this touch screen here. And so this is if you want to share whatever's on your laptop into the meeting, or just chuck it on the TV. And then in here, so we can join a meeting, we can share, that's with the HDMI cable here. We can go into whiteboard mode and more. It's just some settings and whatnot. And there you have it, a Logitech Rally Bar Mini setup.